Hi guys, we're going to learn how to make an all-time favorite, the ultimate candy apple. This is going to be so much fun. Please wash your hands for 30 seconds using soap and warm water. Create friction, and you know you will create friction when you see the bubbles. Sing the happy birthday song. That will tell you when it's time to rinse. And pat your hands dry and throw away the trash. You're going to need some good, nice, healthy apples, whole please, no cutting, and we're going to need skewers, we're going to need chocolate melts, we're going to need our peanuts, and only if you do not have a peanut allergy. And we're also going to use some awesome sprinkles. You'll probably need a help from the adults. These are skewers. They're pointed at one end and made of wood. You can use also lollipop sticks or popsicle sticks. I got these from Walmart. This is wax paper that we're going to be using to set our apples on. This are the candy melts that you're going to put in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute. These are the peanuts that we're going to crush later on. Yes, salty or honey. And these are the sprinkles that we're going to use. And here coming up are the apples. They're very shiny. That's because they have wax. You will need to rinse them thoroughly to get off all the germs, and you will need to twist off the stem by twisting the apple. This is the candy melt. I put vegetable oil inside. You don't want to use too much because you don't want it watery, but you want it thick and creamy. Now it's time to insert that stem into the base of the apple so we can twirl it around in our microwave safe dish bowl that has our chocolate in. Always ask for help from an adult when holding warm objects or even objects that are pointing. Now look at that, how creamy and consistent it is. Nice. No lumps. Very good. So we're going to let that drizzle off just a little bit. Some people twirl the chocolate around in the bowl just to get all the excess off. However you decide to do it, as long as you clean up your mess, is fine with me. Now it's time to cover our candy apple and sprinkles. I think I did a rather good job. Those sprinkles were tough though. They got a little bit of everywhere, but I managed to clean up my mess. Now it's time for me to open up the peanut bag. And once again, please make sure that you do not have a peanut allergies before handling peanuts. So there we go. Once I get this bag open, I'm going to pour the peanuts off onto my wax paper / you can use parchment paper, but I'm using wax paper. And there, I'm going to grab my potato masher. This is excellent for crushing the peanuts into the shape and size that you desire. I'm going to firmly hold it down with one hand, or you can use two, and I'm going to press on them. And then eventually, later on in the video, like I said, you can press firmly with one or two hands, and you're going to kind of gently scoot those into a pile, and you're going to use a rocking motion as you press down. Sometimes they'll pop up and pop away, but you just grab them and put them right back in the pile, and do it a little bit more firmly, but not as hard. And we want them to be broken down. We don't want whole peanuts because it takes away from the presentation. And not only that, but they don't stick onto the chocolate candy apple at all. So we're going to get those down to itty bitty sizes. And we're going to use a rocking back and forth motion with our potato masher. And we're going to kind of scoot it all together. We're not going to try to leave any pieces to themselves. The more the merrier. So we're going to scoot those in. Now it's time for us to insert our skewer into the base of the apple. You're going to put the apple down and you're going to hold it with one hand, and you're going to insert the skewer all the way in, 3/4 of the way. Just like that. Very simple. Straight down the apple. Now we're going to take our chocolate covered candy apple and twirl it around in the peanut, either halfway or full, your choice. Here's my sprinkled candy apple that looks like an egg. So funny. And here are some more examples of candy apples. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please stop by and visit our website once again. We'll miss you until next time. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Refrigerate and enjoy.